I'm going to make Toffee Bars. This was my mom's favorite, but she passed about 12 years ago. So I'm going to first grease a little pan. I'm making a half recipe. If you make the full recipe, you just double the ingredients and you use a 9 by 13 pan. This is just a 6 by 10. So just going to grease that up first. Use margarine or butter, whatever you prefer. Then I'm going to take my graham crackers and I'm going to fit them into the pan as best as possible. Oops, not quite fit. Okay. This way, yeah. And some smaller pieces in the side. Nope, that one doesn't fit. You just fit it the best way you can. The oven is on at 400 degrees. The next step is half a cup of butter or margarine in a pot. And half a cup of brown sugar. And I'm just going to heat that and bring it to a boil. It has now come to a boil. So I'm just going to pour this boiling mixture on top of the graham crackers. I spread this all over. You're kind of floating in it. And the oven is heated, so I'm going to put this in the oven for 5 minutes. I'll just set my timer. And there we go. Now it's a waiting game. Well, I've just took them out of the oven. What I'm going to do next is sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. You can sprinkle how many you want. This is what I had left in the bag, so it's probably about 1/3 to 1/2 a cup. So I'm just going to let them soften and then I will spread them out. If you prefer at this point, you can sprinkle with some nuts. Okay, so now I'm just going to let that cool right down. Sometimes I used to use foil and butter the foil, and then it was a little easier at times. Whoops, some of this wants to come out. Okay, I'll just break a piece out. A lot of times I just used to break it anyway, so there. Well, that's what it looks like. Taste a piece. Nice and crunchy and toffee and chocolatey. Oh yeah. That's why I only make a half batch. I'm the only one here. But anyway, why don't you try this recipe? If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, leave me a comment, And if you have anything else that you'd like me to make or make a video of, let me know. Anyway, you take care now and you have a great day. There it is, all broken up. Ready to eat. Enjoy. Yummy.